Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can clone apps in your Android phone. So if you are an Android user and you have wanted to have a particular app twice in one device, then this video is for you. Like you can clone your Facebook, your Telegram, your WhatsApp. You can have two WhatsApps, two Telegram, two Instagram in one same device, and you can do this through your phone settings, right? So if this is the first time you're coming to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, like, share, because we will bring a lot of updates to you guys. So stick with me as we dive in. Right now, you have to go to your phone settings. For Android users, you go to your settings. So this is my settings, and you have to scroll down to special function. I hope you can see special function here. So tap on special function and you go to your X clone. See your X clone here, right? So I'll be tapping on X clone, and you can see we are inside the X clone. Right now, you can actually decide to clone Instagram, right? Okay, I think before I do this cloning, let me go back. So we search Instagram, so you can see that I just have one Instagram in my device, right? So let's just search Instagram. Can you see I have just one Instagram? I have just one Instagram in my phone, but after this you will see that I will be having two Instagram and I can access both of them, right? So let's go back to settings. This is where we are, right? So I will now activate my Instagram cloning, right? So as you can see, it's optimizing and it has turned on, right? So look at it here, it has turned on. Now let's go back home and search Instagram. Can you see the Instagram is here, and I can decide to actually register, create account, or do whatever thing I like with it. So you can decide to register a new account and you can have your two Instagram at a time, right? You can have your two Instagram at a time in one device. I hope you can see that. Now another thing I want to remind you in these settings is that these are few of the apps that you can actually do this to. You can do it to your Facebook, to your Instagram, to your Line, Messenger, Snapchat, Telegram, and WhatsApp. Then yours might be even bigger depending on the kind of apps you have, because this is mostly on messaging apps. So if you have other messaging apps, those kind of apps, then you might still have more and more options, right? So this is just how to do it. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.